Let's look at some ideas for how to use Whiteboard on Canva. First, here's how it would look on a computer. I developed a breakout box for students, and I'm going to have them scan this QR code to take them to a template version of my whiteboard. So they'll need to scroll down, they'll click Use Template for New Design. This makes them a copy, just like in Google. Now they can manipulate what I've laid out for them. They can move these boxes around and figure out the correct order to solve the puzzle. They'll see arrows in there because this is for the directional lock, and then they'll be able to crack the code. Let's look at how it might look on iOS. Same thing, students will need to click Use Template for New Design, make their copy, and they can, again, manipulate the text boxes that I've grouped together for them to locate those arrows. You can also have students use sticky notes to write their own responses. What I did is locked this template, so when students make a copy, they're not moving around the pieces of the bottom layer. But when they're on it, they can click on the tools, then sticky notes, and their name will pop up on the bottom. And they can add in their responses. So maybe an event from the rising action, a part of the resolution. They can circle things, highlight things, and they can use different colors, for different people contributing.